Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to talk about Hero Paints. I would just like to thank Hero Paints again for sponsoring this video. Maraming salamat Hero Paints. Nagpadala na naman sila ng mga paints na kailangan natin for custom repaint, mga custom repainted na mga projects natin. Yan. So basahin lang natin yung Hero Paints na description sa Shopee. What makes Hero different? Hero is the creation of high colors since 2007. The company has been creating industrial colors and inks, giving us an edge in terms of the deeper science of creating great paints at affordable value. Along with the competitive price, Hero paints are high pigmented and fortified with special additives to make it a must-have for any beginner or advanced artist. What does high pigmented mean? High pigmented means that the concentration of color pigments is much higher, up to 5 times more than regular paints. Unlike most brands, Hero paints do not have extenders that cheapen the product at the cost of quality. The result is the paint has great coverage, vivid colors, and smooth application. Wait lang, i-flicker yung ano natin lights. Yan. Can I use brush? Yes, Hero paints are designed to be ideal for hand brushing. Can I use airbrush? Yes, Hero paints are not pre-thinned, but you can add distilled water to make it airbrush ready. No thinner required since it has special additives already. Okay, scan nyo lang QR code for more information about Hero paints. Yan. So yun mga ma'am sir, nasa Shopee page ako ni Hero Paints. So if you want to buy some Hero paints for your projects, punta lang kayo dito sa Hero Paints sa Shopee page. Ito yung mga paints na binigay nila sa atin for today. We have fluorescent green and orange, bronze, dwarven rich gold and quicksand, camo green and fluorescent magenta, light ash and gunship green, earth yellow and desert sand, silver and lemon yellow, heavy green and fluorescent pink, gunmetal and dark camo green, steel, dragon gold, and military green. And then yung last, Hero Brush Cleaner. Super recommended tong Hero Brush Cleaner kasi nung binigay sa atin to ni Hero Paints, hindi na ako ulit bumili ng brush kasi yung brush na ginagamit natin every paint session, nalilinis ng mabuti gamit ito, gamit yung brush cleaner. Natatanggal yung mga paint residue. And para sa next session nyo, magagamit nyo ulit yung brush nyo. Yan. So again, maraming salamat Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much. Marami pa tayong custom repaint na tutorials and reviews. So, if you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee page nila. Okay? Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.